The difference between a will and a trust is a will has to go through what's called the probate process. The probate process is where the court determines how things go to your beneficiaries pursuant to your will or not. And so that process is something we usually try to avoid if possible. The reason why is because one, it's expensive. It can cost $5,000 or more to do a probate. It's also time consuming. Probates can take 10 to 12 months and require alerting creditors that there's money available to them and so forth. So if we can, we like to avoid a will, where a trust is private. A trust keeps everything private. Nothing goes through the court process. No one knows about your trust except for your beneficiaries after you pass away. While you're alive, your trust is kept safe by you. No one else will know about it. If you want to put things in your trust, you can do that, and then anything your trust controls would pass to your beneficiaries after you pass away without the necessity of alerting the courts or filing a probate. It's a big money saver, it's nice to keep things private, and it saves a lot of time for your beneficiaries after you pass away. The biggest difference is the cost. A will costs a little less upfront, a trust costs more upfront. Where a will costs more after you pass away with the probate process and time, whereas the trust costs less after you pass away and takes a lot less time after you pass away. Whether you need a will or a trust is something that you need to talk to me or another attorney about to determine what's best for you. You can set up a consultation with me anytime by calling our office at 352-565-7737.